Hello, my little friends. How are you? What are you doing? I am a teacher of school Lyceum Jitigan Казакова Nurzida and today we will start our new unit and new theme, A Clever Baby. Today's our objectives are to learn to understand short story, to use new words in own life, and to identify different adjectives to describe people. Are you ready for the lesson? If you're ready, let's go. Now, today we will learn some new words again. You should listen. After the listening, you should repeat the new words, yeah?
Listening 108. Listen and point.
Old, young, handsome, pretty, short, tall, shy, friendly, shy, old, short, friendly, tall, handsome, young, pretty.
Listen and repeat.
Old, young, handsome, pretty, short, tall, shy, friendly.
Now, thank you for your listening. If you understand, you may open your dictionary copybook and write down all new words. Let's translate these new words, yeah? Old, it means старый. Young, молодой. Handsome, красивый. Pretty, хорошенькая, миленькая. Short, короткий. Tall, высокий. Shy, застенчивый. Friendly, дружелюбный или дружный. Write in your copybooks, please. I think everybody understands the new words. If you understand, let's do exercise. You should order the letters and write the new words. You should take the photo of this exercise and send me. Now, let's watch the DVD.
I'm still young.
Wow, he was handsome then.
I'm still handsome.
Look, this is Grandma when Grandma was pretty.
I think Grandma is still pretty.
Look at this photo of Grandpa. Wow, he had black hair when he was young.
Yes, I've got white hair now.
And this photo is of Max when he was a baby.
Look, he had a book then too. He isn't different at all.
Thank you for your watching, and you should read from your class books, and you should understand the story. Now, if you understand today's lesson, let's send me these smiles. First, if you understand but you can't use, you should send me this smile. Second, if you understand and it was interesting for you, you should send this smile for me. Now, third one, you don't understand, you should send this smile. And four, it was very difficult for you, you should send this smile. Now, your mission. You should learn by heart the new adjectives and read and understand the story. And you mustn't be lazy. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.